Hey Fantastic You, welcome back. And if you're new to the channel, welcome, glad to have you. Make sure you hit that subscribe button so we can be friends. We are painting today and we're going to use the 4-compartment split cup. Color-wise, we've got titanium white, Quinacridone magenta, brilliant purple, and Dioxazine purple. So I'm going to get these loaded up into the split cup and then I'll bring you back. Okay, I've got my cup filled up. There it is there. So I've gone with the white, magenta, brilliant purple, Dioxazine purple. So I found with the split cups, the colors on the outside tend to be the most dominant colors. We're going to try for a wandering split cup pour and kind of see if we can get something neat looking. So let's keep our fingers crossed that this works. Trying not to move too fast. Want to keep the pretty pattern because it's going to probably become like a bit of a shell pattern. Oh, I'm going too fast there. Slow it down. So you can see the Dioxazine purple is very prominent. Most of this outside layer is going to get spun off. Altogether, I've got about 400 grams of paint. I've done 1 part paint to 1.5 parts pouring medium. The paint is Liquid-X. The pouring medium is 70% PVA glue, 30% water. I am going over that edge there, so I'm just going to get my corners done, because you know me and my corners. Like there's still a decent amount of paint left in the cup, but it's not pouring nicely, as you can see there. So I'm just gonna center this a bit. Paint's rolling onto itself. Not quite what I want, but I'm hoping that the center, that right there, I'm really liking. I'm just going to give it a quick torch. I got some bubbles. I got a couple bubbles I'm going to try and pop with my bamboo skewer. Let's try torching again. Some of them popped. Okay, so I'm gonna spin counterclockwise and hopefully we get something really pretty. Started with the light spin. Make sure that I'm on there. Good. So this is a 14-inch canvas. Oh, that's kind of looking like a butterfly in the center. Oh, I'm liking that. Hopefully you can see it. It's not my mind playing tricks on me. Can you see it right there? That looks pretty neat. Yeah, the white's a lot more dominant than I thought it would be. While that finishes spinning, I'm just going to grab some paper towels. Accidentally put my hand in a really wet area. That was silly of me. Okay, we're getting close to our edges. And that should stay. So again, 400 grams altogether, 100 grams of each color of paint. Oh, I'm really liking this one. We're over one corner, got 3 to go. I should have enough paint because I've done the 14-inch canvas before. Making little splatter sounds on my pool there. We're almost over those last 2. Well, that third edge is not quite fully there. Let's find a good one to spin from. That was a good spin. Happy with that one. Oh, so close to being over that last edge. See that one there. It's almost there, but before I do another spin, I'm gonna torch. Some more bubbles pop. Yeah, I'm really liking this one. I'm very happy with it. That was not a good spin. It's tricky now because I can't hold on to the canvas. I will try. I've got my big push pins tacks on the bottom, so let's try grabbing one of those. Okay. I'll save you from any extra spinning. I got a little bit more on that edge, but I can fix that afterwards. Now the question is, which way is the butterfly? Should it be that way? And those are its feet, and there's its wings up. I think that's the proper way to put it. That's what I'm gonna go with. So I'm gonna zoom you in so you can get a better look. There. What do you think of this split cup pour? I think this is actually one of my favorites that I've done. So happy with that part there. It might have been nicer if I could have got the white all the way over and just that in the center, but there's not enough paint for me to get that off. So that's okay, but again, I'm super happy with it. I think it's beautiful. It could be a flower as well, but I'm seeing a butterfly. So thank you so much for taking the time out of your day to watch. I really appreciate it. And I appreciate you. Until next time.